Hello friends, welcome back. If you are coming from the last unboxing video with the regular kit, this is the Christmas add-on kit. So this was something that you would have had to order a while back, but I think she had some extras in the shop. All the way up until, I know this last time that I just was on there, I still saw these. So you might still be able to get them. I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you right now. All I did was open the tape. So here it is. Oh, there's Simon. Oh, I'm so excited. So it's a little tag with the thank you for selecting us. Nice watercolor pattern. I'm going to take this out. And generally speaking, I'll just tell you as I'm making all this noise, these tend to be more memory keeping style, the add-on kits, than planner style. So just so you know, this is more of like a memory keeping thing. As you can see right here, there's a stamp pad in here, which usually I don't personally do a lot of stamping in my actual planner, but I do in my memory keeping. So that's what these kits tend to be more towards that, but that doesn't mean you can't use them in your planner. You absolutely can. They're just geared more towards memory keeping. I'm kind of sad because I'm probably going to have super FOMO over not ordering the Valentine's Day add-on. I didn't do it. I'm going to probably hate myself for it later. But yeah, trying not to spend every last dime I have. This is nice. Let's see. What color this is? Probably red. Yeah, this is a nice red ink pad. So, ooh, this foil. Hey, I got my foil, even though it wasn't in the regular planner kit. It is in this one, and it's silver, so it goes very well with the kit, the planner kit. So this is a nice foil stripe that can be used for pretty much anything. So look at that. So happy. There's that. Now let's go to Simon, just because I have to. I love Simon. He's so cute. There he is, all wrapped up in his winter wear. Super cute. Can't wait to put him in my planner. Look at me. I just literally, like, I know it's the middle of November, but I'm still playing with my November setup, so I'm not quite ready for this yet. There's a bag. I'm going to show you the bag. Oh, I like this. Now I have a red one. So I have a gray one, a yellow one, and now I have a red one. So we are going to be totally matching for the season. I put these inside of my little planner tote that I take back and forth with me pretty much everywhere I go. And this is big enough to hold your stickers. So it's all of your sticker kits will fit in this very nicely. And that is that. Make my little pile off to the side. Now let's do the stamps. So this one, I'll take them out of the actual plastic so you can read them without the glare. Not lose the plastic. So this is what this is. Holly Jolly, Season's Greetings, Holiday Hustle and Bustle, Merry and Bright, Merry Eve, Morning Memories, and Christmas. You got a little snowflake here. Oh, I like that. That would look cute foiled, huh? Yep, totally would. So there's that stamp set. There's some stickers. Let's do the stickers. So you've got like a holiday countdown all the way to the 25th. Then you've got some scripts here. Oh, Christmas tree. I like this. This is super cute. Pictures with Santa. I can't wait. So I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I'm having a grandchild in March. And this goofball has already bought her first Christmas dress for next year. So this is going to be awesome for next year. And I'm totally going to hang on to this because I want to use this when I do my memory keeping, when I have my granddaughter. And the best and worst part about it is that they live here with me. So that baby is going to be under my roof. And I'm just going to love every minute of it. I'm so excited. So excited. Her little mama and daddy are awesome. But in this uncertain climate, I think it's better that they be home rather than out on their own, which they totally could do. They both work full time. They're both very awesome, awesome kids. But I just think that being home with mom right now and dad is probably the best idea, especially with the new baby coming, because then we can help out and yeah. Love my mom. Mom, if you're watching this, no shade on you whatsoever, but I was way too far away from my mom when I had my kids, and so my husband and I did not have the family help that some people get. So I think it's going to be awesome. Anyway, here are the die cuts. A little tag. These I don't know if they are. Oh, they are. Oh, nice. Sticky. They're sticky backed. There's a tag. Merry and bright. Again, to make your planning on the go awesome. Can memory keep on the go. I'm just going to lay them all out. Let me move this. Oh, I see something really pretty in there. I'm trying not to look ahead. Sorry about my TMI about the family stuff, but I'm just excited. I can't wait. 2021 is going to be a hell of a lot better than 2020, that's for sure. In a world full of Grinches, be a Griswold. Yeah, love that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm so glad I got this. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is sing loud for all to hear. That sounds like something from Whoville. Naughty or nice, decisions. Oh, what fun. Let's deck these halls. May you never be too grown up and search the skies on Christmas Eve. I told you I have my reading glasses on, but I got to bring it just close enough. Warm wishes. It's a little geotag. Make it a December to remember. Dear Santa, define good. And some little hearts. Open me. Oh, I love this. This is super cute. So there's all that goodness. Just put that off to the side. See my new mat? It's very gold. I'm going to ruin it soon enough, but I'm kind of hoping that I don't. So in this one, we've got some ribbon, and this feels like that silky seam binding kind. It's very soft. This is going to make some pretty bows. There's that, and then you've got your little cards here. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Holly jolly Christmas. Oh, I like that. Again, with the vintage. And this one, let it snow. And that one. And these are soft. What happened, guys? What did you do? These are nice. They are so soft. That's weird. I like these. Christine, I like these. Keep that up. If you keep doing your cards with that, I will probably subscribe to that as well. Got some gold numbers here. Lots and lots of numbers. That's going to be cool for New Year's, but I definitely would not use that in the Christmas kit. Ooh, ugly sweater in gold. Look at that. That's super cute. That's going in my planner for sure. This is what I was looking at. This is beautiful. Let's see. I'm just going to put it down here because you can see it really well on my nice little background. Look at how pretty that is. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Acetate, the vellum. And then you got some papers in here. So you've got the little Christmas trees on one side and the snowflake pattern. This kit, by the way, if you can't tell, totally matches your regular monthly subscription for December. It's a nice little addition, especially for the memory keeping part of it. So just FYI. That's why I didn't open them together, because it's too easy to get them confused with each other. Love this. Love it. And that side. And then it just repeats. So you have 2 of each double-sided piece, so you don't have to pick which side is your favorite. You can use them both. That is everything that came in this little add-on subscription, and this is for December. I don't know if there's any more available, but I do know that when I was just on the website 2 days ago, there was still some available, so you might want to go check and see. If not, don't be like me and be all sad when you didn't subscribe to it when you had the chance, because that's probably what's going to happen in February, but it's okay. I'll make up for it by adding other stuff to my order in February. So anyway, thanks so much, you guys. I really, really appreciate you hanging out and watching this with me. Hope you guys have a fabulous week, and I will see you again real soon.